If you don't do this one secret to make money on Instagram, your chances of making money on Instagram in 2020 are about as good as me making this shot. And the reason I'm saying that is because I'm phenomenally horrible at pool. So right now, before we get into the meat of this video, and I teach you the best way to make money on Instagram, regardless if you're brand new, you have a repost account, an information account, a personal brand, a brick and mortar that you're trying to take online, you're a chiropractor, a doctor trying to get more leads, you're an architect that wants more clients to be able to design homes with them, you're a landscaper, whatever the case may be, I'm going to teach you a secret that you can use to be able to build your Instagram following, monetize it, and be able to make sure that regardless of any Instagram algorithm change, you are still able to make money on Instagram in 2020 and beyond for as long as Instagram exists. And without this secret, you will have as much chance of making money on Instagram as I do making this pool shot. All right? So now you're going to witness how horrible Ben here is at pool. First of all, you're going to put that ball, which I think is called a cue ball or some shit like that, right there. Second of all, aim. Okay? See, I told you. I suck at making money. I don't suck at making money. I suck at pool. I'm sorry, I suck at pool, okay? So one of the things that I want you to realize is that Instagram can go away any day. So could Facebook, so could YouTube. It happened to Google+. I used to use Google+. As a matter of fact, I would get leads from Google+, and then poof, gone. And the reason that they went out is because they couldn't actually compete with Facebook. Now, I don't believe that Instagram is going anywhere, but here's what I do know, is that Instagram can be somewhat of a tyrant sometimes. I've lost my Instagram account. 6 months, I lost my Instagram account. And luckily, this one secret that I'm going to share with you on this video kept me from losing hundreds of thousands of dollars over that 6-month period of time where I had no access to Instagram. I woke up one day to my Instagram account gone. I couldn't find it. I couldn't search it. I was logged out of everything and I didn't know what had happened. And I spent 6 months working to get it back. And that was from April 10th of 2019 till like September or October or something like that. It sucked. And I was scared because I was like, oh my gosh, I make so much money with Instagram. Like from my actual Instagram account, I make $20,000 to $30,000 every single month. From inside my actual Instagram account, $20,000 to $30,000 every single month. How am I doing that? I have built a following where a lot of people come to my Instagram account, are inquiring. I have a lot of people that are business minded, that are paying $5, $6, $10, $15, $20, $30,000 to learn from me, to help them build their business. We're talking about entrepreneurs that realize that it takes money to invest. We're talking about people that want to pay to be with somebody that's already been through the trial and tribulation and can alleviate a lot of time and money wasted on things that don't work. And then we're talking about people that are at a little bit lower financial level that maybe have a few hundred to a couple $1,000s, want to learn from me, want to learn how to get into e-commerce, want to learn how to build, their brand, want to learn how to build a better following, want to learn how to close deals, whatever the case may be. So my Instagram account, through the content I'm putting out, has always been something that's made me a lot of money. Now, that's not the point of this video, but the point is I was scared when I lost my Instagram account because I was thinking, here's this income stream that I have that is doing good. I'm making $20,000, $30,000 a month just with this, and then boom, it's gone, right? And this one secret saved me and enabled me to keep making money even when I didn't have an Instagram. And if you use this secret and double up combining this secret with your Instagram account, you will always make money on Instagram. You will be secure. You will not have to worry about algorithm changes. You will not have to worry about updates. You will not have to worry about features going away like likes in certain countries. You'll never have to worry about that. So on this video, I want to share that with you. Smash the like button if you haven't done so already. Appreciate you guys, and I love supporting you guys. I'm looking forward to seeing how many of you actually crush your brand and build your business in 2020. I want to see a lot of you guys turning multiple 6 figures. I want to see a lot of you guys that are already at 7 go to multiple 7, and I want to see some 8s in here as well, because I already know we did that quite a bit in 2019, and I'm looking to repeat it and 10x it in 2020, and same for you guys. So smash that like button and make sure to follow me at Ben Oberg on Instagram if you haven't done so already. So the thing that saved me, here's one of the secrets that I want to share with you on this video, and then I'm going to teach you how you can integrate it into your Instagram so you can make money on Instagram in 2020 and beyond. What saved me was not my Instagram following. It was not my YouTube. It was not my Facebook. It was my email list, which I had utilized so much to be able to make money, and I built it through influencer marketing. I built it through my following on Instagram. I built it through Facebook. I built it by just getting as many people into my email list as possible. So when Instagram, my biggest revenue source, went away, I still had my email list. And so it made me realize, oh my gosh, thank God I had my email list, because if I hadn't, there's all these people, hundreds of thousands of people on Instagram that were on my email list. And when they went away on Instagram, that was a contact point I no longer had, and an area for me to distribute content that I no longer had. So I had to pull from my email list. So my business went down to like hanging on a thread of survival. And I had to nurture that email list. I had to provide much more value there. I had to keep open rates up. And then I had to keep sending people into my products and services and striking up conversations and working deals and finding deals and closing deals to keep the income going. And so I did that, and I started posting a lot on YouTube, starting to get content out on YouTube. So I'd have somewhere, I'd have an outlet to teach and bring people into the brand and to be able to make income and to be able to help. And so when Instagram went away, that was huge for me. And I've had it back for a few months now. Everything's good. I'm making more money now on Instagram than I ever had. But the reality is the email list is what saved me. And so when I came back, I realized this inspired a huge teaching point for me. I wanted to be able to teach people, hey, here's a secret. Build your following on Instagram, but build your email list just as much, okay? Now this does not involve pitching. This doesn't even really involve selling in the front end of this, okay? What it involves is you want to use your Instagram account as an outlet to be able to build your email list, because your email list cannot be taken away from you. It's much harder to take away an email list. Taking away your email list would be like chopping off your legs. It's pretty hard for somebody or a company or an entity to do. Like Google can't come in and be like, hey, we're taking all usernames and all Gmail accounts that you have. Okay, Google can't come in and be like, hey, you have a list of 30,000 people, we're gonna take all of them. ActiveCampaign, GetResponse, MailChimp, Aweber, all right, Infusionsoft, Keep, they cannot take that away. You're always gonna have your email list, okay? So what I recommend to you is that as you're building your following on Instagram, give people a reason to want to subscribe to your email list. Offer them something. Everybody's gotta have an entry point. Realize that and write that down. Every brand, every business needs to have an entry point. Every brand, every business needs to have an entry point for consumers. So give them an entry point. Don't just hit them at $100, buy this, $1,000, buy this, okay? You can do that once your brand is way up. You can literally put a $25,000 price tag on your site, because there's a group, there's a population in your brand that knows and loves and trusts you so much, they'll spend it like that. No selling required. You've already broken the ice. But in the beginning, and as you're growing your brand anyways and always to new people, you have to have an entry point, because people don't know you. You need to give them a reason to know you, a reason to trust you, a reason to want to do business with you. So have a valuable entry point that is a free offer, a free training, a free guide, a free PDF. Doesn't matter what it is. All that matters is it's high level of value and it's relative to your niche, to your brand message, to what you're already teaching. It's already in your market, okay? Put together a free PDF, a free video training, a free ebook, a free guide, a free whatever for them. And in exchange for them getting that, they're gonna give you their email address, okay? So what you're gonna do is you create a sales funnel, you create an opt-in form, all right? And it says, how to make $100 a day affiliate marketing, okay? Maybe you're gonna teach that. Maybe you're in the information sort of finance entrepreneurial niche, okay? How to lose 10 pounds in your stomach fast, okay? A lot of people don't like to have fat in their stomach. A lot of people have a hard time showing their abs. Maybe you're in the fitness niche, okay? 10 meals to be able to gain muscle and trim stubborn body fat. And they opt in. And now you're gonna have a PDF or a guide or a free training that shows them the top 10 meals, the why, the ingredients, how they can make it, a little recipe book, and they get that. High level of value, pretty cool, pretty unique, pretty different, all right? It's unique. It's not as replicatable for everybody else. It's unique. You created it, and you're one of the few people doing this in the fitness niche. So they opt in 10 top meals that you can have every day to trim stubborn body fat and gain muscle. People are like, shit, yeah, I would like to trim body fat, and I'd like to gain a little bit of muscle. All right, I'm interested. They give you their name, their email, and now they're on your email list. And that little guide's being sent off to them, okay? Now there's a million different ways we could make this funnel, and I could go about, I can't fit this all in a YouTube video right here, right now. That'd be hours long to explain to you creating a sales funnel and what type of funnel is best, how you could upsell, how you could downsell, pixeling, retargeting, how you would pitch, what you would structure your emails. The point is, be building your Instagram following, provide that value that you're already doing, all right? Provide that value consistently. And then as you're doing that, just make sure you have a by the way in each caption. By the way, get our PDF on how to do XYZ. Get our PDF on how to do XYZ in your stories. Be engaging, captivating, cultivating. Run polls, run quizzes, run questions, do things like that. Really engage your audience, and then just plug. Plugging means like, by the way, link in bio, get our PDF on XYZ. By the way, link in bio, get our PDF on XYZ. By the way, swipe up, you can get our PDF right now on XYZ. It's gonna help you do X, Y, and Z, okay? And just be plugging. Every week, you're providing value. Every day, you're doing your Instagram feed posts, you're doing your videos, you're doing your carousels, you're doing your stories, you're doing your IGTV, in every way, in a shape or form. You're not pitching. Right? You're just, hey, helpful, want to help you out with these meals. Hey, helpful, want to give you access to this. Hey, helpful. Different angles going into the same exact funnel, same exact email list. You need to build that up. Here's the math behind this. For every 1,000 engaged followers that you obtain, you should be able to get a minimum of 150 opt-ins. Minimum. Once again, for every 1,000 followers you gain, you should be able to get a minimum of 150 opt-ins. Now, if your content starts going really viral, people don't necessarily end up following you that opt into your funnel. Could be one or the other, okay? So I've seen it where I have had a post that got 500,000 views and I got 700 followers from it, but I got 1,800 leads, okay? So build that list. I would expect that for every 10,000 followers, depending on if the actual followers themselves opted in your funnel or you had a post go viral and they didn't follow you, but they ended up opting in and becoming a subscriber to your email list and getting that PDF or free training or whatever, I would anticipate that for every 10,000 followers, you get a couple thousand people. You get a couple thousand people on your email list, okay? Now on that list, you're gonna nurture them. This is how you make money on Instagram. This is how you secure your income on Instagram, secure your brand online, and have something that's reliant. It's a consistent parameter, regardless if YouTube, Facebook, Instagram go away. Be using that Instagram as leverage. Be using it. It's your biggest weapon. Use it every day. Pack people in that email list. And now, you can have a short follow-up series that cultures them, all right? And then you can start presenting offers, affiliate offers, upsells, going into your little one-time $27 offer, $47 offer. And then from there, upselling the people that are there to your coaching or to your one-on-ones or to your high-ticket courses, whatever the case may be. Once again, a million different ways to make sales funnels. If you guys want me to make a video on sales funnels, what the right funnel is for you, actually showing on a diagram the breakdown, how that would work, go ahead and let me know in the comments if you want me to make a video on sales funnels, all right? Appreciate you guys here. I hope that helps. I know that helps because it helped me. It's helped thousands of my students. It secured my brand. It helped me to create income in a time where it would have otherwise dropped. And it's a way for you to always have a consistent parameter in your business. You always got to be building your list. Every 6, 7, 8, 9-figure company knows this. Maybe not the 6 figures, the 7, the 8, the 9-figure companies, they know this. Ben Oberg, make sure you subscribe to the channel, smash that like button. I've included some extra resources in the description, and I'll see all you awesome people in the next video.